It's weird. It's a weird time, and it's very difficult. I mean, you do the things that make you happy. I'm very lucky. You know, I've got a lovely job. I get to travel all over the world doing this. It's wonderful. Get to come to great places like this. But you find. Life's changed a bit. I'm a middle-aged man. Do you know what I did the other day? This is how rock and roll my life is these days. The other day we bought a chest freezer. Oh yeah. 46. I thought at 46 I might be buying a Ferrari. No, I bought myself a chest freezer. It's not even red. And seriously, last time I saw a chest freezer, it was in the basement of a pub and I was cutting out lines of cocaine on it. Don't do that anymore. Don't do that ever since I went to Costa Rica to find out that I can't handle proper cocaine. You might think you know how cocaine works, but trust me, until you've shat yourself in public whilst having a panic attack, you don't know a good time. True story. Why is Alistair running into the sea? I don't know, but he looks very confident. Now I have a chest freezer, and I was there in my basement looking at it going, God, life is over. This voice I'd never heard behind me just suddenly went, excellent. And it was me. My own middle-aged voice going, no, this is a tremendously exciting development. I know you're not the tidiest chap, but you do love a compartment in a system, and I think I shall take over organisation of the foodstuffs. We'll put red meat here, white meat here, fish separately, of course. We're not lunatics. Frozen vegetables here, ready meals EC, some pizzas arranged in alphabetical order, and of course a small cubby hole for ice creams and naughty nighttime and nibbles. Because it doesn't matter how much you do that, there's always going to be part of you just looking down at it going, will she fit in it? My favourite thing about that joke is the first time I performed it when my wife was in the room. Because it's quite a good joke, isn't it? Not bad. It's a joke's joke. It's quite good. But apparently you have to have thought of it to have written it. And I did it, and it was a big theatre, and she was right. I could see her right at the back of the room, just standing there like this. I had to walk all the way up to the back of the auditorium. That classic walk that blokes do when they know they've done something wrong but don't want to admit it. That kind of look. All the way, her just like this. I just got to the back. And she just looked at me and went, are you saying I wouldn't fit in?